What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. We're starting out a new vlog today, a summer day in my life vlog. It is Saturday. It's so freaking hot. 93 degrees. We're having a little prep day for the beach tomorrow, so that's why we're having a summer. Failed. That's why we're having a summer day in the life, because tomorrow we're going to the beach. So I'm bringing you guys along. We're gonna go right now to pick up all the beach essentials, cold cuts, all that stuff. So bring you guys along, a little prep with me, and then of course bring you guys along tomorrow. So let's get into it. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here and leave a comment down below. I like chatting with you guys in the comments. I reply to all my comments. Let's get to it. Oh my gosh, somebody dropped their freaking hat in the road, and now they're just in the middle of the road. LOL. I also want to thank Teddy Blake for sponsoring today's video. Let's do a little haul. I can't move you guys because you're literally on my steering wheel. So I got rolls. These are just like Kaiser rolls. Got 6 because there's 6 of us, which is perfect. Alright, next up, comment your beach day essentials, like what food or snacks you bring. We got some cheese doodles, but these are the puffs. Very specific. And then got some spicy nacho Doritos. We wanted the purple Doritos, but they didn't have, so we settled for some spicy nacho. I think I've had them before. And then we got a bunch of cold cuts. So we just got some, which one is this? I never took out the other cheese. Now we have 2 cheeses. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. I guess we'll have options. So we have some yellow American cheese. We have honey ham. I actually like honey ham, I don't mind it. Then we have some Munster cheese. Munster cheese. My sister likes that, so I got that one. And then smoked turkey. I'm really upset I got that by accident. Anyways, and then got a little fruit platter. I decided to get this one. This one has like a lot. Oh, it even comes with a packet of tahini to season it if they would like. This comes with strawberries, blueberries, watermelon, kiwi, mango, and pineapple. I probably won't eat any of these, maybe the pineapple, but I'm picky. I don't like when my fruit touches other fruits that I don't like, so it's like a tragedy. But that's my little haul. I need to pack like a bag. We're actually gonna sleep over at my sister's house, and then we're just gonna all leave together in the morning. So I need to pack a bag, which we'll do that all when we go home. So alright, it's about time where I need to get ready for the beach tomorrow. So I have this huge bag. So I need to pick out, first of all, what swimsuit I'm gonna wear. I also need to take out my towel and like my cover up situation for tomorrow. So where the heck is my towel? Oh, it's right here. Okay, so I have my towel. Got this off of Amazon. I'll link it below. It's super cute, I feel like. So I have my towel. I'm gonna bring my Polaroid camera. I'm gonna bring this Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Face Mineral Sunscreen. My boyfriend got like a pack of 2, so I'm trying this out. I've used Neutrogena before, so got that. Got my Polaroid. I'm gonna bring sunglasses. Which ones? I think I'm gonna do it for like a switch up today, because I feel like these are the ones I would go for. I kind of want to like switch. Okay, then I'm going to bring these sunglasses, which are also from Amazon, because they like cover my whole face, and early in the morning I need this. So I'm going to bring these. I'll just put them in the bag now and then throw them on in the morning. And then, wrong drawer, I'm going to bring body sunscreen, obviously. So I have this Copper Tone Sport, and then also this Banana Boat Dry Oil. Sorry the lighting is like literally so dark, but this one. Also bringing this. I should start putting it in the bag. I'm also bringing just a regular blanket to lay out. My sister we also bought one last summer, me and my sister, this like blue one that you can like, that has like little yellow picks that you can just kind of like nail into the sand so it stays in place. So we do have a beach blanket, but just in case, I know she said she didn't remember where she put it, so bringing that just to have. And then I'll just put this on the bag like this. I guess my brother can put his towel in here. I literally have this whole bag full of swimsuits. Okay, I'm deciding either between this bikini, these are both from Zaful, or this one. I might keep this one for like a pool day or something, just because if the waves are rocking me, then I don't want my top to be like, you know, I don't want that to be annoying. And then when I'm like laying out, I can also take these off. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to decide in the morning, but these are my top 2 contenders for this week. I just opened my eyes literally 2 minutes ago. And it's 7 a.m. Time to get up and like get ready. I want to have coffee before I go and have like a little bit of breakfast. So let's brush up. I like cannot even say right now. Okay, I made myself coffee. We're gonna get bagels, I think, so I'm just gonna bring coffee to go. I decided on the yellow Zeffel bikini, and then I have to bring down all my other cover-ups, so I'm wearing this one from Princess Polly. It's just like a shirt. I wore this last time I went to the beach, and then I'm wearing just shorts. We're gonna drive to my sister's house to make the sandwiches and stuff, put them in her cooler. We just picked up ice, and we picked up breakfast, so I got a... It's starting to get buttery for my brothers, but I got a sausage, an egg on a croissant. So good. As you can see, we just got ice. I need to fix my hair. Look at it. It's starting to get buttery. Okay. My hair's gonna be so naughty later. Yes, say hello.
Oh my god.
What?
Say hi, Nell.
For the vlog.
Ready for the sun to come out. I kind of want some Doritos. Just trying to cover my face. See her?
Roasted. It's time to flip.
Leah, say hi. My hair is so freaking naughty. Okay guys, we are now at my sister's house and we got seafood boiling crab. This is huge. He came back.
I didn't have my gloves on.
Let's dig in. Perfect. Sorry. Desk. Are you kidding? God, the noodles are so hot. Get some noodles. There's corn.
Then try something else.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Hi guys, it is the day after the beach and I'm looking tan. I got some tan lines going. It was literally so much fun. We hung out at my sister's house last night, as you guys saw, and right now I have an exciting package to show you guys, and I want to thank Teddy Blake again for sponsoring today's video. It's actually perfect because what I'm about to unbox with you guys is literally literally scream summer. So what better video than to show you guys this? So I'm super excited, literally perfect timing. And we're gonna hop right into this unboxing. Look at this packaging. First of all, Teddy Blake never misses. I've worked with them before and I'm literally not kidding you guys. My purse has lasted, what has it been, a year, 2 years now? I'm not even sure. But when I did my last like what's in my purse bag with my Teddy Blake purse, that one is like just a bigger purse. I'll pop up a picture right here. You can also check out that purse, but they literally have the best purses and that one has lasted. The quality is amazing. Look at how like sleek the box is. If this doesn't scream like luxury. And what I love about Teddy Blake is you literally get luxury and they remove the like $1,000 or $2,000 cost to the handbag just for the label. So you're enjoying luxury at a very fair price that'll last. So they never compromise on quality. They release new collections every month. So they have, like, I'm going to show you guys right here on the screen. They have tons of different style of purses. So I chose something that's really unique and I'm super excited for the summertime. So when you open the box up, you have your little pouch here. So let me put the box down. So it comes with a little dust bag, which we love, especially if you're traveling and you want to take your nice purse. Like, you have this bag for you. So opening her up, you guys, look at the freaking color. This is summertime. It's a staple. I literally am obsessed. Look at the crocodile leather. So all of their handbags are made with a premium Italian leather. This one is the Kim Croco. So obviously it's an orange. I got the 11-inch. I think they have other sizes as well, but I just thought this was perfect. It's not too big, it's not too small, and I think it's perfect for summertime. Obviously hold it here at this handle, and also here's what the width looks like this way. We're gonna open it up. So it has the gold details here, and then all you do is just lift up that. And my other favorite part is that it also has a longer strap, because you guys know me, I love a little over the shoulder bag crossbody moment. So we have a nice strap here. Again, I'm in love with the crocodile. This is what it looks like inside. So it will definitely fit like my wallet, my keys. If you guys want to see a what's in my summer purse edition, like summer edition, then give this video a thumbs up right now and comment. It's not so wide, but that's the whole purpose. I have like a bigger bag and I wanted a cute little small bag, especially for the summer. You know, I don't want to be carrying around a huge heavy bag, especially for going out. I can take this on my vacation. I literally want to use this like tomorrow. Okay, look at this. I also love that it has some holes here, so you can actually change the length by just moving it, almost like a belt. You just move it down a couple holes if you want it to be a little longer. But this is what it looks like over the shoulder. I'm wearing like an all gray like house fit right now, but I mean, look at the color. I can even do crossbody. Like I said, it's super cute. Even this outfit, if you want to do like athleisure, I feel like it's cute to just like spice up your outfit, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm running errands, but like this is cute. Like, it's literally giving summer. I just feel like you just feel like a bad bee. Catch me using this probably tomorrow in my vlog. Even if I'm wearing like not like the cutest, most fancy outfit, I will still use this purse because it's cute. And I know people are gonna stop me and be like, where's that from? And I'm gonna be like, it's from Teddy Blake. Go check it out. It'll be linked below. This purse will be linked below. Also the link to just shop their website. My code I'll pop up right on the screen right here, and then also it'll be down below so you guys can check it out. Truthfully, my new favorite purse, and I know you guys are all probably fiending for like a really good summer purse. So thank you again, Teddy Blake, for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you made it to the end, comment down below I love Teddy Blake. Comment that down below to let me know that you stayed to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this summer day in my life. Plenty of more summer content to come, especially vacation vlogs, so stay tuned. The month of July is a busy one. Definitely don't want to miss out on my content. Hit the bell, all the good stuff, and I'll see you all in my next video.